So I create a circle with the ellipse tool, then I align it to the middle of the circle and I remove the white at the edge. Okay. Text, let me grab my text. Let me select the font. Yeah, I'll use this crystal. This is the text I'm using. Let me try. Okay, please. Okay. This is the text I'm going to be using. Okay. So my pencil tool. Okay, I just kind of make it like I want the middle part to be larger than the rest. So it's look like yeah. Okay. Properties. Pathfinder. Select this all off because I only want to make this the intersection, and I'll do that for the rest. Pick pathfinders under shape modes, divide. I'll do that again. Okay. See all the sections in object on group. Then I'll use Hold Shift, then select the text object. Okay, now I'll first send this to the back using object arrange, send backwards, object, envelope distort, make it top object, send this one to the back. Envelope distort, top object, to send this one to the back. Then I would shift it, select the down object, envelope distort, make it top object. Yeah, so I like the way it looks right now. Then click on this, expand. I'll do that for everything. As I click the expander, I can change colors right now. So I want to do a green, white, green. Okay, green, white. Use the eyedrop select over here, red color. Then I'll create another layer. Then use the rectangle to just make. I'll change the color black, but just send it to the back. Okay, yeah, that's it. Yeah, let me align it. Yeah, so that's basically how to do it. Try and add some elements. The image is like has a large pixels, how to reduce the size. Dahlia. Let me create rectangle. All I need is the old design. That looks good. And that's all. That's it. Yeah. I'll create a clipping marks with this text under. Right. I'm also going to turn this to clipping marks. I can get this on it. So this objects compound path make, then I'll select everything. Objects, clipping mask. Yeah. Then I'll center it the middle using align object. Yep. That. The design is complete now. Yeah, I think design is done. Yep. So this is how to turn the text into shape and how to create a clipping mask.